So my name is Himanshu. By profession, as I'm a lawyer. Firstly, thank you so much for introducing me, Gauri ma'am. I've been a trainer in a lot of companies. So as to say, been one of the youngest trainers in India, and I've trained in a lot of corporates. My hallmark has been that I've trained in the Indian Army. So that's one thing that I am very proud of. I think we all are proud of the Indian Army. Yeah. So that's what it is. So actually today's topic is very interesting. Yeah, emotional intelligence. Yeah, it's something which is very close to me. I've been researching a lot about this topic. In future, if I happen to do a PhD, I'll definitely do a PhD on EI. EI is the emotional intelligence. Yeah, and it's one thing which I feel in this present time one of the most important things to be learned. Yeah, people think gaining the domain knowledge is very important. Learn the SOPs, do the business communication modules well, learn all the marketing skills. On if you ask me one thing which tops it all, it is the emotional intelligence or the EI. Yeah. Okay. Now let me start by asking you a question. Now I know it's a webinar and we have a little restrictions, so as to say we cannot see, at least I cannot see you. Yeah. But let's make the most of it. Yeah. At least we can interact with each other. Yeah. So I would like to ask you a very simple question. What do you think are the emotions? When we say emotional intelligence, it's a combination of emotions as well as intelligence. So what according to you is emotions? What is this all? What exactly are emotions? Let me tell you. So what are emotions? They are basically the feelings. Yeah, emotions are feelings. They are either caused by a situation or caused by a people, by a person. Yeah, for example, आप मस्त गाड़ी से कहीं बाइक से जा रहे हो. I think a lot of you are from Pune, right? So Pune is a bike culture. Yes. तो आप मस्त बाइक से जा रहे हो, अच्छा एकदम वेदर अच्छा, सिंहगढ़ जा रहे हो, करेक्ट? Yeah, Siagat is the place where Pune people go, right, on the bike in rainy season. Yes. तो आप बाइक से जा रहे हो, आपका फेवरेट पर्सन पीछे बैठा हुआ है, नाइसली राइडिंग योर बाइक. बट सडनली कोई तो गधा बीच में आके गाड़ी लगा के जाता है और आप आगे भी नहीं जा सकते हो. What happens? A very happy feeling has now changed because of one idiot who's parked the bike in between. And yeah, so it's because of the person who's parked his car or whatever his vehicle in between, and the situation. Your very happy bike ride has now turned into rage. You are angry about that situation. So the good feelings have now changed into emotion because of the person and because of the situation. MBA, I think all of us here are MBAs, right? Yeah. So ये ना बहुत काम आएगा. This is going to be a very interesting in the sense cracking the interview is concerned. Why I'm going to tell you क्यों ऐसा है मैं आपको बोलने वाला हूँ. Yeah. तो emotions पहले समझ लेते हैं क्या है कि feelings that are caused because of a situation and a person. अपने आप से अगर emotions आते हैं ना तो खाली feelings ही होते हैं. Yes, लेकिन कोई व्यक्ति या कोई सिचुएशन की वजह से अगर होता है तो बेसिकली दैट इज कॉल्ड एज इमोशंस. क्लियर? या अच्छा, व्हाट इज इंटेलेक्ट? इंटेलेक्ट माने क्या? यस. So let us see. Since it's nothing but an ability to discriminate. आपके दिमाग में अभी डिस्क्रिमिनेशन चल रहा है ना, अरे सही बोल रहा है यार, कुछ नहीं यार, पका रहा है, अभी कॉफी पिए, नहीं नहीं यार मुझे ये सुनना चाहिए, ये सब अभी दिमाग में चल रहा है. This all is going in your mind, and that is what the intelligence is doing. Yes, a lot of boys sitting over here, your half of your attention is on the screen and half of your attention is कि अरे इंडिया का स्कोर कितना हुआ. Yes or no? क्या? तो ये सब क्या कर रहा है? ये इंटेलेक्ट कर रहा है, इंटेलिजेंस कर रहा है. Are you getting this? I'll give you a very interesting example. आपको मैं एग्जाम्पल दूंगा. Yeah? एक बार एक छोटा बच्चा और दादाजी, यस, दोनों साथ में रहते हैं. Yes, yeah, there is one small child and one grandfather who are together. One person comes to both of them and then he offers. एक व्यक्ति इन दोनों के सामने आता है और उनको ऑफर करता है. क्या ऑफर करता है? एक हाथ में मन की शांति है, पीस ऑफ माइंड, और दूसरे हाथ में क्या है? चॉकलेट. इन वन हैंड देयर इज पीस ऑफ माइंड एंड द अदर हैंड देयर इज अ चॉकलेट. यस, 10 साल का छोटा बच्चा सोचता है और बोलता है अरे चॉकलेट दे दे यार. लेकिन 70 साल का बूढ़ा आदमी क्या करता है? 70 साल के दादाजी क्या करते हैं? वो चॉकलेट छोड़ देते, वो बोलते नहीं यार, मन की शांति चाहिए, आई वांट पीस ऑफ माइंड. इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस. यस, आर यू गेटिंग दिस? व्हाई? बिकॉज द दादाजी नोज द वैल्यू ऑफ पीस ऑफ माइंड. दादाजी को मन के शांति का रहस्य अच्छी तरीके से पता है. Yes, he knows the value of it. So his emotions have been conquered by his intelligence. Are you getting this? लेकिन छोटे बच्चे को क्या है, अरे किधर EI VI, चल चॉकलेट खाओ, खुद खुद बन जाओ. Yes. Are you getting this, everyone? Emotional intelligence, very, very essential. Yeah. So that's the definition of intelligence. That's the definition of emotions. So how will you define? Before the definition, a very interesting fact. In a day, we have 400 emotional experiences. Can you beat this? Yes, अगर गर्लफ्रेंड ना हो तो, अगर गर्लफ्रेंड हो तो 800 हो जाते हैं. Yeah, in a day हमें कितने इमोशनल एक्सपीरियंसेस आते हैं? 400, 400 इमोशनल एक्सपीरियंसेस. दैट इज ह्यूज, राइट? बहुत बहुत ज्यादा है. कैन यू इमेजिन दिस? Yeah. So, what is EI? The Sanskrit word for EI is Vivek. Yes, in Marathi they say na Satsad Viveka Buddhi. Yes, what is that? Vivek is between the Satsad and Buddhi, that is emotions and intelligence. That is called as EI, emotional intelligence. So, how will you define it? Very simple. What is EI? It's your ability to respond. Yes, yeah, ability to understand your emotions. अपने भावनाओं को समझना and respond to them effectively, और उनको अच्छी तरीके से रिस्पॉन्स देना to produce the behavior you want. What is that? Yes, your ability to understand your emotions and respond to that effectively to produce the behavior you want. I'll give you a very simple example. Yes, what's the example? You know, आपको गुस्सा आता है. A lot of you get angry, right? Yes, but anger on your friend and anger on your profession, your reaction is different. Yes or no? गुस्सा तो सेम ही है. Yes, आपको किसी बात के ऊपर गुस्सा आया, the anger is exactly the same, but there is a difference of the reaction between the professor and who and your friend, best friend. Yes, no? तो आपने क्या किया है? इस इमोशन के ऊपर आपकी बुद्धि यूज की है. The ability to understand your emotions and respond to it effectively to produce the behavior you want. Yes, I'll give you another example of EI, emotional intelligence. एक छोटा बच्चा जब अपने क्रैडल में सोता है, a small baby when he sleeps in his cradle, उस क्रैडल के ऊपर एक झुमका लटकाया जाता है. Yes, तो 3 महीने का छोटा बच्चा है, तो सो रहा है और ऊपर क्या है? क्रैडल में वो झुमका लटकाया रहता है. तो मम्मी क्या करती है? मम्मी आती है, उस झुमके को ऐसे टैप करती है, तो झुमका जितना देर हिलता है उतना देर बेबी his attention goes there. Every time the झुमका stops, मम्मी comes, she just shakes the झुमका and does her work. Now बच्चा starts getting little older. बेबी थोड़ा बड़ा होता है, तो जब 6 महीने का होता है वो बोलता है अरे मम्मी के लिए क्यों रुकने का, मैं मेरे पैर मारता हूं उस झुमके को. Whenever I want, I will kick that झुमका. What is he doing? His emotions want him to have that, hence he is using his intellect to produce the desired result he wants. Are you getting what I mean to say? Yes or no? Yeah. And I'll tell you how these emotions are much more stronger than the intellect. Yeah. You know, same baby, जब वो सोता है तो मम्मी उसकी लोरी गाती है। क्या एक दिन क्या होता है, उस मम्मी को मम्मी को कुछ किचन में काम होता है। देयर इज सम वर्क विच दिस मम्मी हैज इन द किचन। तो वो क्या करती है, वो बोलती है चल यार आज लोरी के बदले मैं रेडियो लगाती हूँ। तो अच्छे से रेडियो लगाती है और किचन में चली जाती है खाना बनाने। लेकिन बच्चा रोता है, वह 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 वह। अरे वो बोलती है क्या हो गया क्या? तो वो आती है, वॉल्यूम ऑन करती है, ज्यादा बढ़ाती है, फिर भी बेबी रो रहा है। अभी रेडियो पे प्रोफेशनल सिंगर सिंगिंग कर रहा है, लेकिन बच्चा सो रहा है क्या? नहीं सो रहा है। फाइनली मम्मी आती है और मम्मी उसके फटे हुए आवाज में लोरी सुनाती है। व्हाट डज मम्मी डू? मम्मी स्टार्ट सिंगिंग लोरी इन हर बैड वॉइस। यस और नो? या एंड वो बैड वॉइस की लोरी सुनने के बाद बच्चा सो जाता है। यू नो व्हाई? Because his intellect doesn't understand कि there is a professional singer singing, but his emotions are much more stronger in the lory voice. मम्मी का आवाज एकदम बदतर है, फिर भी उसके इमोशंस उसके मम्मी की आवाज में अटके हुए। आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई मीन टू से? जिस व्यक्ति को ये चीज समझ में आ गई ना, यस, कि हाउ टू रिएक्ट टू माय इमोशंस फॉर द डिजायर रिजल्ट, वो बिजनेस में सक्सेसफुल होगा, जॉब में सक्सेसफुल होगा, रिलेशनशिप में सक्सेसफुल होगा और पूरे अपने लाइफ में सक्सेसफुल होगा। आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई मीन टू से? वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। आजकल जो मल्टीनेशनल कंपनीज है, वो अपने ट्रेनिंग में दे कीप अ मॉड्यूल ऑन ह्यूमन वैल्यूज। पता है क्यों? क्योंकि दे वांट पीपल टू अंडरस्टैंड द ईआई, द इमोशनल इंटेलिजेंस। यार किताब पढ़ के तो कोई भी बढ़ सकता है, राइट? Yes or no? For example, दो डॉक्टर्स है. Yes, yeah. So let me see who my two doctors are. One is Ankur and second is Asiya. Yes, Ankur and Asiya are the two doctors we have. Yes, अच्छा. Ankur is that American University doctor. Yes, American University में वो बहुत बड़ा सर्टिफिकेट है उसके पास. He is a doctor from a very big university. ठीक है. प्रॉब्लम विथ अंकुर इज कि उसकी डिग्रीज तो बहुत बड़ी है, लेकिन वो अच्छे से बात नहीं कर सकता है। ही कैन नॉट टॉक वेल। बट विथ आसिया द थिंग इज कि शी डजंट हैव अ बिग सर्टिफिकेट। ये इंडिया के बेसिक कोई कॉलेज से पास आउट हुई हुई है, या पर उसकी बात क्या है, उसको बात अच्छी तरीके से आता है। शी कैन टॉक रियली वेल, शी कैन अंडरस्टैंड इंटेलिजेंटली कि ओके ये सामने वाले व्यक्ति को एग्जैक्टली क्या बीमारी है, and she can give a solution. Yes, so Ankur is a doctor with a huge certificate, but problem kya hai Ankur ka? That he cannot talk well. And what is the thing with Asiya? She doesn't have a great degree as such, but what is it? Her talking is very good. वो बात अच्छी तरीके से कर सकती है। Yeah. Now tell me, if it is Ankur versus Asiya, whom will you go to? आप किसके पास जाओगे? यस, सर्टिफिकेट वाले डॉक्टर के पास जाओगे कि डॉक्टर जो अच्छी तरीके से बात कर सकता है उसके पास जाओगे? यस, ऑब्वियसली वी विल गो टू द डॉक्टर हु हैज अ गुड टॉकिंग सेंस। यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज योर ईआई इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग। योर ईआई से सर्टिफिकेट से थोड़ी ना मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगा, मैं डॉक्टर की वजह से ठीक हो जाऊंगा। आर यू गेटिंग व्हाट आई मीन टू से? समझ में आ रही है मेरी बात? यस, सो आप प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस कि अगर आप खाली डोमेन नॉलेज के पीछे भाग रहे हो ना, आपको डिग्री तो अच्छी मिलेगी लेकिन नौकरी नहीं मिलेगी। बिकॉज हम इंटरव्यू जब लेते हैं, आई एम ऑन अ इंटरव्यू पैनल फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ कंपनी, वी डोंट केयर अबाउट योर डिग्रीज एंड सर्टिफिकेट। आई टेल यू वन वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग। तो आपको मैं एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी बोलता हूँ। हाँ, एक बड़े कंपनी में मैं एक इंटरव्यू के लिए गया था और वो जो भी आया था, द पर्सन हु हैड कम, या सो ही वाज वेरी दिस थिंग दैट एकदम बड़ा उसका रेज्यूमे था, वेरी वेरी बिग रेज्यूमे एंड सर्टिफिकेट्स एंड दिस एंड दैट। सो he came inside the interview room and he sat, and I could see that he has done a lot of intellectual preparation. Yes, बहुत बुद्धि लगा के उसने प्रिपरेशन किया है, वो थोड़ा मुझे समझ में आ गया था. So as soon as he sat, yeah, he introduced himself, good morning and whatever the pleasantries are. And after that, as soon as he sat down, the first question that I asked him was, tell me a joke. पहले चीज मैंने उसको क्या बोली करने के लिए, मुझे एक जोक बोलना. एंड ही गॉट लिटिल फ्रोजन, वो एकदम हंगअप हो गया, स्टक हो गया. यू नो व्हाई? पता है ये क्यों हो गया? बिकॉज उसने खाली इंटेलेक्चुअली प्रिपरेशन किया था. What had he done? He had only prepared intellectually. There was no emotional preparation that had happened. Understand, this is very, very essential, very, very important. Are you getting this? Yeah. Sucheta, tell me, why do you think is AI so important?
Sir, I think an EI actually helps people to understand the emotion of other people, and
Brilliant. Very good. Go on.
And based on that, we can react accordingly, which will help to understand the people as well as the mindset of that people.
Brilliant. How old are you, Sujata?
Sir, 23.
Good, yaar. At age of 23, if you can give this answer, I wish I had so much of intellect at your age. Very good. We should really clap for Sucheta. बहुत बढ़िया. You know, it is not about understanding your own emotions. It is all about understanding the emotions of others. Yes, अगर आपको CEO बनना है, तो CEO, अच्छा, one more person wants to share. Very good. Who wants to share? Kaushiki. Yes, Kaushiki, go on.
Understanding other people's feelings. So in other words, we can say that being empathetic to people, because when we will go to our job, like in our corporate life, over there we have to manage people, and we need to understand our co-workers or co-mates, whoever they are working, and then help them according to that.
Very, very good. Very good. Perfect.
So like, having a good emotional intelligence is basically understanding others through their perspectives and through seeing the situation from our side and from their side also, and then taking the right decision according to that.
Right decision. Fantastic. So Kaushiki and Sucheta are on the same lines. Yeah. Understanding the emotions of others. Sundar Pichai, the Google CEO, the first thing when he entered the Google company, you know what he said? Ki we are here, first thing we are here is to take care of our co-employees, and then we are here to gain profits for the company. I don't want to go into a lot of philanthropy or all of that, but understand, if the people with you are happy, they will work for you in a double manner. Yeah, why is Mahendra Singh Dhoni one of the most successful captains in India? Because he did not look at his teammates as cricketers. He looked at his teammates as somebody whom he cares for. Yes, and what Kaushiki said very beautifully, empathy, having that empathy. Yes, it's a very, very important word in today's scenario, when people are just running behind success and profit, success and profit. Are you getting this? Mahendra Singh Dhoni's seat in the bus was never in the front. He used to be the last person to sit. Yeah, emotional intelligence, having this ability to understand the emotions of not just you, but also of the people in and around. Are you getting this, everyone? Yes, no? But I want to ask you next question. Thank you for participating, Kaushiki and Sucheta. Ask you, how will you do it? How will you understand? Nobody sitting over here is a god, right? Yes, you go in somebody's mind and understand. मजा तो आ जाता, लेकिन बहुत तकलीफ भी हो जाती. If we can go in somebody else's mind and understand emotion, how will you understand कि okay, I want to intellectually react to this person, but for that I need to understand his emotion. For example, मम्मी जब बोलती है ना, चिल्लाती है मम्मी, बेटा घर पे आया कर, टाइम पे, बाहर मत रुका कर. Her emotions are not to put restriction on you. Her emotions are your safety. बाहर late night तक रहोगे तो कुछ तो हो सकता है. So how will you have this knack of understanding the emotions of others intellectually? Come on, let me hear it from you. कैसे करोगे ये? How will you do it? Okay, yes, Sucheta, go on.
So when we talk to people, actually, when the people understand that they can easily convey their emotions or convey the words that they want to say, when we become the comfort zone from them, for them, actually, that time we can easily understand what they
कैसे
want.
कैसे कैसे करोगे? What you are saying is right. My question is, how will you do it?
So through conversation.
Okay, through conversation, you can understand their feelings. How will you gauge the emotions? Yes, yes, Gauranga.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Preeti.
The one way to understand how like intellectually react to a person is to observe and pay attention.
Very good.
So
Very
not
good.
the negative facts, but help them to understand the positive side of it.
बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, one way to go about it is observe. Yes, observation. I am very, very proud of you, Preeti. Good, good going. Yes, Gauranga, you want to say something?
सर एक्चुअली से उसको उसको ट्रेस को कम करूंगा.
All right, okay. Understand and positive way से उसको उस stress को कम करूंगा. All right, okay. I will tell you a very, very effective formula for it. Would you like to learn the formula? Yes, how to understand EI in much effective manner. You want to learn the formula for it?